Today we're getting Big Back certified. I'm fixing to show you how to make my famous Meat Lovers Alfredo. First you start out with some onions in the pan. Put your onions in the pan, let some butter in there, let it cook for a little bit. Get your noodles on while you do that. Get you some good bacon and chop it up. Good fine pieces, you know, little small pieces like that. Here to stir the onions ever so often, that way they don't burn. The onions is cooked down a little bit, go in with your bacon. Let that cook. Your bacon cook till it's about almost done. Also gonna need some chicken. I don't care what kind you use, but this Soul's Kitchen flame grilled is the best that I've found so far, and it's like $2. So gonna need some steakum. This is what I get. This is from the Dollar General. All these ingredients are from the Dollar General. This is the best steak that I've found to use. Steak will come out in strips like this. Make sure you like tear it up in smaller pieces into a pan or whatever you want to and add it to the mix later. We'll need, well, cheese. Mozzarella, to be specific. I don't care what brand you use. We use Clover brand because we broke around here. Ingredient is of course the Alfredo sauce. I don't care what kind you use, but the Artisan 4 cheese is the kind that I get. Prego is a good brand. It just tastes better. To come back and stir so everything don't burn. It up in smaller strips like this will do. It don't have to be perfect. We're not cooking for the president. After your bacon's cooked down a little bit, go in with your steak. Let that cook and get incorporated. When that gets almost done, add your chicken. Wait on your noodles to get sexy. Get to about this step, start to preheat your oven to 375. Oh, wrong one. I never claimed to be a smart man. Why are you not working? Oh, maybe because I gotta hit bake. 375 start. Now we're cooking with oil. Be sure to chop your steak up into smaller pieces as it cooks. About here is where you want to add your chicken. Get to stir your noodles so they don't burn. When it gets about done, you want to add seasons Creole, a little bit of garlic powder, and pepper to taste. When it gets to about right here, if you hear knocking, it's probably your neighbors trying to beat your door down to get in to get some of this. Noodles get done, put your noodles in here. You add your noodles in, get your Alfredo sauce and add it in. For water, because we want all the goodness. Get back on and shake the hell out of it. Gotta add the rest. Half a thing of mozzarella cheese. Stir until it's well incorporated. Oven safe pan or buy one from the Dollar General. You got it all well incorporated, put it into the oven safe pan. Just like so. Cutting it out even to be even with the pan. It's got to be one with the pan. It's one with the pan. Get the other half of your mozzarella cheese and sprinkle it on top. Get a good crust of cheese going. Just enough cheese to piss somebody off, but I ran out of cheese. Now we slide this into our oven that's preheated at 375 until the cheese melts good. Now we have ourselves a drink. I'm drinking water, but I can pretend. Get done, it should be looking something like this. With the side of your choice, we eat cheese bag because we love cheese. Congratulations, you are now Big Back certified.